Here's the most important things to know about the Festool multi-tool. Festool saw how much more useful routers became when they added the plunge feature, that they decided to add that to the multi-tool, which makes it much easier to get precise, clean cuts because of a couple features. First, it has a nice solid base to rest against your workpiece, and these plunge rods are 90 degrees to that base, so when you plunge down, you're cutting on a perfect 90. And then if you look right down here, there's a metal piece right here, which is actually an adjustable magnet, which holds the blade in place as it moves back and forth, but also prevents it from moving in and out, giving you the cleanest cut you'll find on a multi-tool. And over here on this side, you'll see there's a depth gauge, so you can set the depth wherever you want to limit how far you plunge. The plunge attachment also has a dust collection feature, with the dust port coming out right in front of the blade for maximum dust collection. Now you can easily remove the plunge attachment or any of the attachments by pushing this green button here and twisting and pulling it off. And then there's a couple more attachments that come with the tool. First is this dust collection attachment if you're using the tool freehand, which you can easily slide into place and then rotate to whatever position is most convenient. And then once again, the dust port is right out front near your blade. There's also two different depth stop attachments. This first one is kind of shaped like a ski, which you would most likely use with one of these round blades if you had a long cut to make. Right here on the side of the depth stop, you've got this green button that allows you to adjust the height of your depth stop. And then you could plunge in up to your depth stop and travel along the distance of your cut. And to use this depth stop, you'd push this green button and take the first one out, and put this one in. And this one's designed for these straight blades, for single straight plunge cuts. Again, you use the green button to adjust the stop, and then you can plunge in up to wherever that stop is to make your cut. And you can rotate this top piece to the position that's most convenient. Right here, you'll see that the tool also has a variable speed control. And the last thing to point out is the quick blade change system. You can simply push the blades on, and they'll lock in place. And to remove it, you simply lift the lever, and the blade comes off.